Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving out of the Norman Manley International Airport. So we're going to take a tour from the airport to downtown Kingston. So on the right is the airport, that's where you have the hangars where they park the planes. On the left they have warehouses that support the airport. And they have some sort of solar farm or solar facility. It's new, it just went up recently. A lot of solar panels, and it's fenced off. A lot of solar panels. Actually, as we drive out to the airport, all the way to Palisadoes strip is nothing but solar panels. Wow, rows upon rows of them, which is actually very good. That's the kind of progress Jamaica needs. 5 rows of panels. Okay, that's very nice. If anybody knows anything more about that solar panel project, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. And for those of you who aren't familiar with roundabouts, the car on the roundabout has a right of way. So we were just entering the roundabout, so we had to stop. Alright, so we're now going on to the Palisadoes strip. And the Palisadoes strip will take us to Harbourview, and then from Harbourview we'll head over to downtown Kingston. Okay, so on the left, well, as we go further up you'll see it, but on the left is the Kingston Harbour, and on the right is the Caribbean Sea. Now the good thing is when you have the airport all the way at the end of Palisadoes strip, you don't have to fly over the city or anything. You can enter the airport from coming up over the ocean. The drawback is if something should happen and this road we're on, the Palisadoes strip, should get blocked. That's the only way to the airport. There is no other road that can take you to the airport. From no other road. It's at the end of it's on the Palisadoes strip. Okay, so on the left now you can see the Kingston Harbour, and this is the 7th largest natural harbour in the world. On the right is the Caribbean Sea. You can see the cars parked there because people park there and just walk up and down on the beach, go swimming. On the left you can go fishing. There's a nice boardwalk if you just want to walk up and down. It's a very nice area, and I'm not sure which government built it, but it was nicely done, and it benefits a lot of Jamaicans. Now on Port Royal Street they have built a boardwalk like this, and they're trying to get this same concept to work over on Port Royal Street, where you can park up. There's no beach where you can swim, but you can walk on the boardwalk, you can go fishing, and they're trying to help rehabilitate downtown Kingston. So that project was the Port Royal Street revampment project, where they're putting the boardwalk and fix the road. So hopefully it will become as popular as this boardwalk here on the Palisadoes strip. Now on the right you can see some stones. That's to prevent the water from the ocean from coming over and flooding the road and making it impassable. There are none on the left because it's a natural harbour, so the water in that harbour will never rise to the level where it will cover the road. I'm not sure if people go swimming in the harbour from this end, because I'm not sure. If anybody knows if you can swim in the harbour, let us know. You can leave a comment in the section below. Now once they had a party out here, somewhere along here, and the persons parked and blocked up the road. I mean, now this is the only road to the airport, so it was a nightmare, a total nightmare, because Jamaican people have a way, they just park anywhere. If the road is blocked, they make a new lane and just adds to the chaos. Anyway, For hours the road was blocked. Hours. And you would think the Jamaican police don't have any records. I don't know, because the same way the road in Ocho Rios was blocked for hours. Anyway, no party has been held out here since that incident, because you cannot afford the road to the airport to be blocked. And after this road was blocked, you would think there would never be an incident where a main road will be blocked again, but it happened a few weeks ago at Pearly Beach on the outskirts of Ocho Rios. The Northern Coastal Highway was blocked, and I don't know if Jamaica, well, there's a wreck at the airport, but they used to have it where even if you park badly in New Kingston, they had wreckers that just drove around and told you. But I don't know if it still happens, because you see so much illegal parking going on and you don't see any records basically. Alright, so we're now coming up to the Harborview roundabout. Alright, so we were to go turn right, or we're going left, so we're going on to the Sir Florizel Glassbowl Boulevard, and this will take us on to the Norman Manley Boulevard, and then from there we go on to Port Royal Street and enter downtown Kingston. If we had continued around the roundabout, we could enter the Harborview area, or we could head towards St. Thomas. Okay, straight ahead on the right is the cement company, the Jamaica Cement Company, and they manufacture cement in Jamaica. Now, most of these companies have access to the harbor, so they have like a pier or a mini port where they can dock their ships and load the goods directly onto the ship. So on the left and on the right is the Caribbean Cement Company. Their facilities. Now on the right, I'm not sure if you can see it, but coming up on the right where you see those little roofs, small roofs, that's the Rockfort Mineral Bath. I think it still operates. Okay, straight ahead now. Okay, when we get there, we'll talk about it. Okay, on the right is a Gas Pro facility. And then on the right now is the Rubis head office. Rubis is a gas company. I think they took over the Shell operation. They used to, yeah. They bought out Shell in Jamaica. It's a French company. And they operate the gas stations under the Rubis name. Now there on the left is another pier. And that belongs to the Jamaica Flour Mills. So on the right, that's the Jamaica Flour Mills facility. Now straight ahead on the right, that's the Jamaica Private Power Company, and they produce electricity and sell it to the JPS company. Alright, so we're now going on to the Michael Manley Boulevard. Now, I'm sure this road has signs that says Norman Manley Boulevard as well, but that sign said Michael Manley Boulevard, but we'll see. And then this road here, you can see some police hard at work. This road will take us into downtown Kingston. It will take us onto the Port Royal Street, which will take us into downtown Kingston. On the right is the Manley Meadows residential complex. Alright, coming up on the left now is the Raytown Fishing Village. Okay, we're now going on to the Port Royal Street. And Port Royal Street was recently renovated. It's a very nice 6-lane road now. And this leads us into downtown Kingston. Straight ahead where you see those buildings, that's downtown Kingston. There you can see the sign on the right, welcome to downtown Kingston. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.